Hi, my name's Dakota Shafer and I'm with Structure Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs. And we're at the time of the year in the fall when we have all four seasons in one day. And Coloradans know what I'm talking about with that. For instance, today it's supposed to be 80 degrees and tomorrow the high is about 27. So when we have these days, a lot of times you aren't quite ready to totally blow out your sprinkler system by a licensed professional, but you also don't want to freeze your plumbing on the exterior of your home. So today I'm going to show you the easy way to do it to drain your backflow when we have these cold nights so that you can easily turn your sprinkler system back on when we have the warm days and finishing watering for the season. Okay, so the first step to draining your sprinkler backflow is locating the main valve that goes out to the sprinkler system itself. A lot of times it'll be in your basement or the crawl space, maybe even a main level closet in some builds. So find the main line that goes out and there'll be a valve in it. And if the valve is running parallel with the line, that means that it's on, and if it's perpendicular, it's off. So we want to go ahead and shut off the sprinkler system line and make it perpendicular to the line. Then there's also a place for the water to drain out, and it's just going to be a screw drain here on this line. And notice it's just barely dripping out. That's because we've created a vacuum in the line and we need to release that vacuum, which we're going to do in step 2. But also you want to have a bucket or somewhere for the water to go when you open this up, because quite a bit of water will come out when you drain the line. Now we're on to step 2 of draining your sprinkler backflow. So this is the backflow. You want to keep these valves parallel with the lines, because what we're trying to do is introduce air into the system. There's 2 more smaller valves at the end, and right now these are perpendicular with the line, so we want to open those up just like that and make them parallel with the line, and that allows airflow to go through the system and for the water to drain out of the copper, because this is the part that you don't want to freeze during the evenings. The stuff in the ground will be okay as long as it doesn't get super cold. So right now the water is actually flowing down into the bucket that we had in step 1, and once that's done draining, you're good to go. For these up and down nights, this works great so that you can easily turn your system back on when we do have those 4 or 5 days in a row that are in the 60s through the 80s like we do in the fall. But once you are ready to fully shut it down for the year, we do highly recommend that you hire a professional to come and fully blow out your sprinkler system and winterize it properly. But like I said, this does work great for these up and down nights, and thank you for watching our video.